She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work. Strike a pose, make it. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hey my loves, it's your girl, lovely angel lady. L to the A to the L. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Thanks for tuning into my channel, y'all. It's your girl, lovely angel lady. Sorry my voice is a little raspy, but your girl is good. We good. Ain't got no Rona over here. Fingers crossed. But anywho, today y'all, I am bringing you another affordable headband wig. You heard me? Yes, baby. We are checking out a Kinky Straight headband wig from Amazon. This chica right here cost me under $25, just right at $25, $24.99. Okay. Oh, so yeah, she was about $24.99 on Amazon. But let me give you the deets on her, and then I'll show you how I styled this girl and let y'all be well on your way. You heard me? Okay, so this is a company called Nayoo, Nayoo. I'll show y'all Nayoo. Okay. So Nayoo sells this wig. This is a 14-inch headband wig, Kinky Straight, so it's very textured. Like, yes sis, yes. Kinks, wow. I mean, it's kinky but it's straight, you know. This is what I like. It looks blow dried. Looks like natural blow dried hair, and we are here for that. Yes, yes, the naturalness. Like, I swear, like, sis is mine. Okay, like, I paid for her, you know what I'm saying? I paid for it. I paid for it. But anyway, y'all, I did get a little bit of shedding, so I'm dusting myself off. But yeah, Nayoo store on Amazon, 14-inch headband wig. This is my sis Victoria. Her picture is up here. Y'all see Victoria? She reviews wigs too. I will make sure I find the link to her channel and drop it in the description box for y'all dolls. Okay, mis amores, so let's get on with this. The deets for this wig. So $24.99, so she is right at $25. Okay, I'm feeling that. And then like I said, she's a natural brown. She's Kinky Straight. I will put the link and everything below, but let me just show you. So that's how she look on the mannequin. That's what you got looking like on the mannequin. And they were generous with the headbands, y'all. They sent me 4. I got the one that I'm wearing. This one right here, that's really pretty. It's like navy blue and teal. The navy blue and white zebra stripe, which is great because I think I might have already had black and white. And then of course I can never have too many leopard print headbands. Okay, and it's cotton like, but very stretchy and comfortable, and it's not very hot. But y'all, these headband wigs are, when I say convenient, and like, y'all see how easy it is to throw on and go. I flip mine back because I have a TWA. Y'all know my hair is super short. I decided to let y'all see my actual hair before I cut it, because y'all know like Vegas gets in the triple digits come the summertime, and we ain't trying to deal with that. So I will be chopping it off and probably coloring it. But I like to be able to just brush that joint and get on out the door when I want some hair. And you know, something with some style to it. That's what I love wigs for, you know what I'm saying? Because I've been loving my natural hair like super short, and it grows really fast. So when I'm ready to like rock it curly and stuff again, it's no problem, okay? But yeah, what y'all think? I like, but really simple and straightforward. Let me show y'all. So the 14 inches falls on me. That's the back. So you get a good length, but very natural looking. Like, girl, you ain't know this mine. Oh, this all me right here. You can do that when you pay for stuff, you know what I'm saying? But no, I love the hair because look at this. I did get a little teensy bit of shedding. I applied a little bit of wig control spray. This Bobo's, it's Bobo's Remy Living Conditioner, okay? And it smells so good. I love the scent. But I just sprayed just a little bit of that. It gives the hair a natural sheen, but it makes it more controllable and manageable and have like a little bit of a flow. So that's why I use that. But y'all, really simple, straightforward. I've been trying to bring you as many of these affordable Amazon wigs as possible. Okay. So hopefully you guys find this video helpful. If you have not joined the familia, please do not wait any longer, because your girl needs to have you in her life. Yes, yes. So go ahead, and I'm gonna wait for you. Yes, boo, because why? Because your girl loves you. Go ahead and press that subscribe button to join the fam, and all you have to do is free 99. Press the subscribe button and bing bing, tap that alert bell, so that way you get notifications and you know when your girl is uploading. Okay? CC. Okay. Well, mi gente, I'm about to let y'all go. Y'all stay positive out there. Don't kill each other over no gas. Lay low anyway, because there's so much going on in the world right now. I'm gonna come with another video really soon. I've been trying to drop them as best as I can, not quite as quick as I'd like to, but you know what I'm saying. I'm doing the best I can. I'm running a business and everything. So y'all, I don't really have gloss or anything on my lips, which I'm glad I didn't put it on yet. I think I'm gonna put some on for my pics, but I just have on Pixie Beauty Peach Pout. This is really natural looking lip. But I'm glad I didn't put on the lip gloss because this hair would have been all stuck to my face while trying to style it. So now we can put on lip gloss. So I hope y'all like. I think I might just go over there and pop on some clear, to be honest. But that's where we at, you know what I'm saying? But your girl loves you so very much. And I'm gonna catch y'all later. So check out how I styled your girl and everything, and yeah, I'll throw up some pics for y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. So do something positive for somebody. Be the best you that you can be. That's all you can do. That's all we can do, you know. Be the best us, best version of ourselves, you know. So yeah, do that. Be positive, be careful, be safe. And your girl loves you so much. And I'm gonna catch you next time, my loves. Ew.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me. you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe. Said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so I let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe. Said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so I let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Never know. Talking like Geronimo, get dropped down like some dominoes. Blues and greens and pinks, I got a lot of those. Yeah, you know, talking slime, I can't relate to snakes, I see a lot of foes. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe. Said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so I let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe. Said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so I let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. 10 toes, keep it thorough, stepping out for sure, though, time to let them know. Rubber band bands, I got a lot of dough, oh for sure. Working around the clock, sometimes I need me more than 24. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe. Said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so I let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Head to toe. Said you got your own style, that's just slang for you, ain't got it though. Talking like you got it, that's a problem, I might let them know. Freeze you like I'm Elsa, so I let it go.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet.